Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are showcasing one complete motorcycle, the Bajaj Pulsar 2006. Let's begin with the front view. The Bajaj Pulsar 2006 has a bold and sporty design. The iconic pilot lamps and wide handlebar give the bike a strong road presence. From the front, the motorcycle looks balanced and confident. As the camera moves slowly from front to side, you can see the entire bike clearly from front to back. The fuel tank is muscular and well-shaped, designed for comfort as well as style. The side profile shows smooth lines and a strong body structure. Now let's talk about performance. The Bajaj Pulsar 2006 comes with 150 cubic centimeters to 180 cubic centimeters engine options. It features a 5-speed gearbox that provides smooth gear, shifting and controlled acceleration. This bike is suitable for both city riding and highway cruising. Moving towards the rear section, the bike looks stable and well planted. The tail design is clean and practical, with clear indicators and a visible rear light. Now enjoy a full 360-degree view, showing the front, side, and back of the motorcycle. The entire bike remains visible, helping you understand its real size and design. The digital dashboard, comfortable seat, strong suspension, and reliable brakes make this bike a great daily rider. The riding experience is smooth, stable, and comfortable. As we end the video, take one final look at the complete Bajaj Pulsar 2006 from front to back. This bike remains a true classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.